AI video creation has evolved again. What if you could build cinematic scenes, branded commercials, short films, and visual stories inside a single creative workspace without dealing with complicated editing timelines? Most AI video tools generate a result and leave you hoping it matches your vision. Director Mode takes a different approach. Instead of creating one final video and stopping there, it gives you a visual workspace where ideas can grow, expand, and evolve naturally. Today, we're exploring CapCut Director Mode to see how far this new workflow can go. Let's jump in. Before we jump into the tutorial, let's take a quick look at the upcoming Seedance 2.5 update. This new version delivers more realistic motion, stronger character consistency across scenes, improved prompt accuracy, smoother camera movements, and higher cinematic quality. You can generate videos with better facial details, more natural actions, and more stable results even in complex scenes. In this example, notice how the same character stays consistent while the camera angle, environment, and movement change. The motion feels fluid, the details remain sharp, and the overall sequence looks much more like a professionally produced film. These improvements make Seedance 2.5 one of the most exciting video generation updates yet. Now, let's get into the main tutorial. Launch CapCut Video Studio. From the main dashboard, select Director Mode. The first thing you'll notice is that this feels more like a creative studio than a traditional editor. Instead of focusing on timelines, Director Mode gives you a visual canvas where projects are built scene by scene. You can generate characters, design locations, create storyboards, build video sequences, organize scenes, extend existing projects, maintain creative consistency. Everything happens inside one connected workspace. The AI helps generate ideas, but you remain the creative director. Test 1. Paste the prompt. Choose your preferred aspect ratio, duration, resolution. Then generate. Director Mode begins constructing the project. Rather than delivering a single fixed result, it creates editable visual assets that can be refined later. The output immediately feels premium.
Don't tempt me.
Put it down!
Never! Mine.
And here, you can see CapCut has generated the video exactly according to my instructions, and our Hollywood-level cinematic scene is now ready. Now, let's move on to one of CapCut's newest and most powerful features, called Tap to Create. If you want to change a character, scene, object, or any visual element, simply type the changes you want to make. For this example, I'll select the video, choose the model, set the aspect ratio and duration, and then enter a new prompt describing the changes I want. Now the generation is complete.
You always were too slow to draw, Clara.
And you're too slow to think, Silas. Put the map down.
Over my dead body!
Don't tempt me.
And this time, I asked CapCut to replace the man with an alien character while keeping everything else the same. The original human character has been successfully replaced by an alien, while the overall story, scene composition, camera angles, and dialogue remain consistent. Now, let's compare the before and after versions side by side. On one side, we have the original video featuring the man, and on the other side, we have the updated version with the alien character. As you can see, CapCut intelligently changes the character while preserving the rest of the video elements, making the editing process incredibly fast and efficient. You can shape pacing, structure, and storytelling visually as the project develops. Now, let's generate another case. Fantasy Adventure Sequence. Create an epic fantasy story sequence featuring a lone warrior crossing an ancient floating kingdom above the clouds. Immediately, the project starts forming connected scenes. Instead of random clips, Director Mode builds visual progression. You can see story development, environmental consistency. Connected cinematic moments, strong visual continuity. The scenes feel like part of the same world rather than separate generations. That's especially useful when building longer stories. You can build scene by scene, expand projects naturally, continue stories with AI, organize ideas visually, maintain consistency, direct the creative process yourself, experiment with different ideas, build stories your own way, and tell me in the comments, what project would you create first?